With cryptocurrency and digital assets becoming more and more mainstream, we are posed with a question. Will cryptocurrency replace traditional money? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that operates independently of a central bank. It is decentralized and uses encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions. Over the last few years, cryptocurrency has gained significant popularity and attention, leading many to question whether it will eventually replace traditional money. The adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrency would play a significant role in whether it will replace traditional money. For cryptocurrency to replace traditional money, it would need to be widely accepted and used by businesses, governments, and individuals. Currently, cryptocurrency usage is still limited and not widely adopted, despite its growing popularity. While there are some businesses that accept cryptocurrency as payment, the majority of businesses and governments still use traditional currencies. The adoption of cryptocurrency would need to be much more widespread for it to replace traditional money. Another important factor that would impact whether cryptocurrency will replace traditional money is regulation. Governments would need to establish clear regulations and laws around cryptocurrency to provide stability and security to its users. Cryptocurrency operates independently of government control, which has made many governments cautious about its usage. In some countries, the government has even banned cryptocurrency altogether. For cryptocurrency to replace traditional money, governments would need to establish a clear regulatory framework to ensure its stability and prevent criminal activities such as money laundering and terrorism financing. Infrastructure is another crucial factor that would impact whether cryptocurrency will replace traditional money. An infrastructure would need to be in place to support widespread use of cryptocurrency, including digital wallets, secure exchanges, and payment systems. The development of this infrastructure would need to be robust and user-friendly, making it accessible and convenient for everyone to use. Additionally, the infrastructure would need to be secure to prevent fraud and hacking, which can undermine the stability and security of the cryptocurrency system. Stability is also a significant factor to consider when it comes to whether cryptocurrency will replace traditional money. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile and subject to sudden fluctuations, which can make it difficult for users to rely on it as a store of value or medium of exchange. Traditional money, on the other hand, is typically more stable and predictable, making it a more reliable option for people to store their wealth or make transactions. For cryptocurrency to replace traditional money, it would need to become much more stable and predictable. Furthermore, there is the issue of access. For cryptocurrency to replace traditional money, it needs to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial status or geographic location. This means that the infrastructure for cryptocurrency would need to be in place in all regions, and people would need to have access to the technology and internet needed to use it. In many parts of the world, access to technology and the internet is limited, which would prevent widespread adoption of cryptocurrency. Whether cryptocurrency will replace traditional money is still an open and debatable question. While cryptocurrency has the potential to offer new and innovative solutions to financial transactions, it is still in its early stages and faces several challenges that need to be addressed before it can replace traditional money. These include widespread adoption and acceptance, clear regulations, robust infrastructure, stability, and accessibility. Whether cryptocurrency will eventually replace traditional money remains to be seen, but it is clear that it will play a significant role in shaping the future of finance and financial transactions. We believe cryptocurrency and digital assets are here to stay. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview on this very important topic. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.